Yo, we are starting off with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is going to be a muchas gracias. This is going 7.5 miles.
Hi, I can help you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Oh, why is this a whole paragraph saying a whole lot of nothing? It took them a whole paragraph just to say, double check the address, pretty much. Total for that was $9 and change, and got the next one right away. This is McDonald's going about 5 miles. Hello. I had a DoorDash pickup for 3DA. Thank you. Ooh, finally a good tip. I say on the second order of the day. Total for that was $9 and change. And we're heading right back to McDonald's for another 5-mile order. Total for that one was $12 and change. And I think we're going right back to that same McDonald's for the third time in a row. This is going 4 miles.
Hello.
Hello, I've got 595. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, that place is impossible. It took me a while to find the drop off because for some reason G is right next to D and R. Total for that was $7. And next up is the Human Bean going 4 miles.
Okay, here's the food for that. And there's those drinks.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too. Total for that order was just under $10. Next up is El Jefe Birria and Tacos. This one's going 6.5 miles. I'm pretty sure I've delivered to this person before, and I'm pretty sure it's a no tip. Yeah, I was right. That was a no tip. Total for that one was $6 and change. And next up is a Black Bear Diner. This one is going just under 7 miles. Hello. Thank you. Total for that order was $12 and change. Next up, we've got another high mileage order. This one's Voodoo Donut going 8 miles.
Welcome in. How are you today? Sorry about that wait.
Thank you.
Hi, welcome in.
Total for that order was $14. Next up is a Starbucks. This one is going just under 2 miles. Hi, for Larissa? Thank you. Why do I feel like this is going to be my only tip for this order? Hello. Just had an order for Larissa.
Yes. Thank you.
Yep. Have a good day. Yep, I was right. No tip on that one. Total for that was $2 and change. Got the next order right away. This is Food Cafe and Catering. This one is going 5.5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. total for that one was just under $12. Next up is a Burger King. This is $10 going 2 miles. Today is Halloween, by the way. Is it just me, or did this year not feel very Halloween-y? Okay, time to call it. That worked out pretty much perfect because I need to go to the post office, which is like 2 blocks down. So I will be calling it here. Current time is 9:48. Current total is 97, and just waiting on that last orders tip, which should bring it up to like 105. But anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too. Bye.